Welcome to the QA training series on the evaluation of heat pressing machines for bonding style. This video is designed for production technicians and supervisors. Heat press bonding machines serve three main purposes: to replace or support traditional stitching, to maintain garment shape and structure under stress, and to deliver a smooth, wrinkle-free, durable adhesive finish. Bonding quality is critical to avoid defects like bubbles from insufficient pressure, wrinkles from uneven heat, and delamination from low temperature or short dwell time. Your QA role is to control machine parameters before production starts. You must control three key parameters: temperature, pressure, and dwell time or speed. Temperature typically ranges from 100 to 180 degrees Celsius. Pressure is adjusted based on fabric weight. Dwell time is usually 8 to 15 seconds. Remember, these three parameters are interdependent. Part 1 of the QA evaluation criteria focuses on machine performance. This includes verifying temperature accuracy, uniform pressure control, precise dwell time, and energy efficiency. A key tip is to run a 30-minute warm-up cycle before production. Part 2 criteria cover quality, safety, and support. Check product quality with peel tests and visual checks for bubbles or wrinkles. Ensure machine support includes a monthly calibration log, spare parts, and functional safety features. Key takeaways emphasize correct practices, such as preheating the machine, verifying temperature with calibration strips, and performing peel tests on first-off samples. Always document the three bonding parameters: temperature, pressure, and time. Quality bonding requires attention from every operator, every shift. At the start of the shift, verify and log machine parameters. During production, inspect bond quality every 30 minutes. At the end of the shift, complete the maintenance checklist and handover log. Thank you for reviewing this video. If you have any further questions, please contact your QA supervisor or training coordinator.